How to fix unable to accept invite on Discord. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to check if the invite link is still active, as invite links can expire or be used up if they are limited. So you can go ahead and ask the server admin to send a fresh and non-expiring link. The next fix is to make sure that you are logged into the same account the invite is intended for. You can also try to use the incognito mode or the Discord app directly. Next, if you are using the browser, then use the Discord app instead, as some invite links don't work properly on mobile browsers. So you can open the link in your Discord mobile app or your desktop app. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Discord and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as this will clear the cache in the application. You can also go ahead and check for bans or restrictions, as if you were previously banned from that server, then you cannot rejoin using an invite. So you can try a different account if you are previously banned. And also make sure to check your server limit, as if you have joined 100 servers already, Discord will block new invites. So you can try to leave anyone's server before trying again. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix unable to accept invite on Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.